This one, or we should do the one with the end too. We're live and live. At 9:30, we're gonna do the opening range gap. Holy, we just dipped pretty deep.
We're open.
Yep.
Okay, there it is. Damn it, and I'm doing this. It might be able
Opening range gap.
to.
Okay.
Pardon me. Why?
Pardon me. Look what you
Excuse
did.
me. All right, what
All
do we
right,
have to
so
do?
if I did a sell stop, I wouldn't have, or if I did my limit like I wanted to, I wouldn't be in yet. I mean, actually, I would, but I would have got in, then I would have got stopped out.
But you're just analyzing. You haven't
Yeah.
clicked any buttons really yet. Okay, so that's doing that. Yes, over here is doing that. And I need to bring in my trader bait here, I think. And I wanted to put it here. I should have had all this set up already, and I want to expand this to just my chart.
Market open.
And you know what? I should bring this here and this here. What time is news today?
It was at 8:30.
Okay.
I think that's the only red news for the day. Huge city we just formed.
I need all of this off. Opening range gap. You have your opening range.
Deleted. Yep.
It's a big one.
Huge opening range. Well, not huge, but
it's not small, that's for sure. Range gap. Let's go to
it's massive. We're respecting this fair value gap.
Is there a first presentation already, are we saying?
The middle candle is at 9:30. So is that the first presentation?
No, it has to happen after 9:30.
Alright, so no first presentation yet.
It respected a fair value gap though there, that's for sure.
Right now. I don't want to get in here because right now is the time we'll just dump.
Let's be patient though. Look for a setup. We're up on the week. You're up $5 from yesterday, right?
Green.
Zoom in. You got too much. You got to zoom in. There you go. Now we can look at something.
Oh, it just goes green. Now I'm thinking green. Red is down hard.
Okay, now let's see if you're right with that.
What if I put some money
Sit
on
up.
the line for it?
Yeah, it's not necessary. Let's see what happens.
But it might just chop around here. So
$2.50 a cube.
that's a respectable fair value gap.
What was there? 80 units. 10,000. 125. $150 times 40. 4 to 8. $150 times 40. 150 times 40.
See? Look at it.
It's just the tanking ish. It hasn't tanked now. It's ability. Yeah.
Climbing back up.
Yeah, you see, so it's like just give it some time to do what it wants to do, because that could be a stop out, right, for you. Would you even be in yet
I'll be out already.
with profit?
Yeah.
That's cool. You were right. That's a win, for you to have an idea. Try to sit up.
And I wouldn't even hit back to where I got in yet. It wouldn't even have went back to where I got in yet, so that was nowhere near a stop out. Holy respect, Amanda. You saw that?
No. Sorry. Talk to me.
Nothing.
Why can't you tell me
There's relatively close.
right now?
I think exactly equal, maybe.
Where were you gonna get in? Tell me your trade
I
idea.
was gonna get in here, pushed
At
up,
the
I
bottom.
got in. It pushed down and gave me more than enough. Then
I wonder if I could see your thing if I had it up here.
see my what?
Your chart. If I had your chart.
Yeah, you could see my chart.
Where are we at? Where's your chart at? That's your trade.
Let me show you. That's more.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That. So if you go ahead, let's
That's my
expand. Go ahead. Say what your trade idea was. You were gonna get it at the bottom of this fair value gap.
It would have tapped me
What time?
right after the fair value gap formed. I wanted to get in.
And that would it only went up 71.85. That's 13 handles.
Oh yeah, I would have got stopped up.
So it's just unless you got a better entry, you could have got slipped in. But now we're seeing that we have a first presented fair value gap, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it at? And that's a tiny one, but it is a fair value gap. Oh man, why aren't our things on here? Taxes. We're in. See, yeah, that ain't a good trade eye because it's inside the 30-second opening range. Paciencias, my young Padawan. See, this could pull up.
What's the difference between a 30-second opening range?
It's just the range, not a gap. This is just where price went in the first 30 seconds of market open at New York 9:30 market open. And these are the rotations. If it comes above here, it should go to this black line here. If it goes above there, these are 65 handle rotations. And look right at the sell side. I think it's coming up here above opening range gap. Everyone thinks it's going to go lower. Why? Because it's been going lower. I think it can revisit this. Take that sell side right there. I'm bullish on this session.
Here.
Why you making it so big?
It's just to 11.
Okay, I'm open to that.
From 9:30 to 11.
So now it's time to see. So now it's inverting that. And we could take that. Bam.
Are you trying to take it? If it inverts, I might take it. Yep, and there's
yep, I would have been out if it pushed above there. So like I'm bullish. I know that on this session. Or inside that, we just have to get a good push. We need a little pullback and then another push because yeah, you could have just bought. Like this could just run away now. VIX, crush.
Dang, that's where I would have got in.
Look, there it is. Here it is. That's what I needed.
Pullback. So, stop.
See, because you want to get the buy there. Stop. It isn't even a real big displacement there. Okay, I'm glad that's you and not me. That was scary. Whew. You're early. Why'd you get in there? What was that?
It slipped me.
Where were you trying to get in?
The top of the fair value gap by like a tad.
Okay, it revisited it. I see. I'm gonna sell it. I mean, I'm gonna buy it when it goes up. When it pushes out of here. See, it could push down.
I'm out.
They tried to stop you out.
It passed my line, but now I'm definitely out.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Look at my trade. Look what your dad is doing. I'm waiting for it to push out of here. I want to see it respect all of that and push out. And then I'm right there with 10 handles. So let's see how this plays.
I'm done for trading.
No, come on, take a deep breath. High five. High five. You're gonna stay here to 11, but I want you to watch what I'm doing and see if you can learn how to get back in. Remember, you did the right thing. You can always, let's show the camera this. You can always get back in. keep stop loss put. Did you keep your stop loss put?
Yes.
High five for that.
If I didn't, I would have been up.
You can always get back in, and I'm just saying, don't give up yet. You don't have to trade, but we have a midpoint of opening range gap.
Just want a couple hands under my stop
Okay,
loss.
so I'm in. You see now it broke out. Now let's see if it pushes 10 handles. Let's see. No, don't count your eggs before they hatch. It's jittery. Look at that. You know, it's playing and it's cool. I took a stab right here at this top. But it can see, that's not a win. That don't look like a win to me. But it's a trade. And it could come all the way back. It's not a great one though. It wasn't A plus. Neither was yours, but guess what? Other message. Keep stop loss in place. You can always get back in. And I'm stopped fully out. Can I get a high five for keeping my stop loss put? Thank you. You know, it pushed, but it didn't give us what we needed. So now it's right here this is a good buy space. I want to get back in, but we have to be patient. We have to be
I
patient.
respected this fair value yet.
It hasn't touched it yet.
No, this.
Which one? The inversion. Okay, that's a good one to be looking at.
No, like this one to the top.
The red one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. So it came out of a.
It came out of the green one. I didn't see that red one. It respected it to the wick, to the to the halfway point, and then it pushed down.
VIX is crushing.
So if it inverts that, I might buy.
Bitcoin is under 70. Mag 7 is all red. Apple is green. That could be the. Things are looking red. The Mag 7 is real red.
It's double respecting. It's weird. It's respecting this one and this one, and it's in this little range.
Yeah, we got to be patient. I took a full stop out, so I want to kind of be patient. Not that I kind of want to be patient.
How much was that?
130.
It's not that bad.
Yep, $132 down. It's not that bad. You're right. Actually, I wouldn't say it's bad at all.
It was a good trade idea.
It was an idea. It didn't do. It wasn't really.
It was this fair value.
It did. It did invert the heck out of this. It just didn't take this liquidity very strongly. Okay, so now we're coming into here. Let's see what it does in here.
It'll probably bounce off that halfway point and push up.
That just inverted that whole one. That was green. It just inverted that. We're back under this low. Back into the opening range.
We're replacing it.
Pushing back above. Are we going to reclaim it? Mm-hmm.
Not yet.
Looking like it wants to, but we'll see. Yeah, you're right. It came into this order block right here. This is an order block.
Did not reclaim. Holy respect.
How's the Mag 7? How's the VIX?
Mag 7 is all down except for Apple. The VIX is up 5%. It's above 26. The VIX is skyrocketing. Holy. Yeah, the market's probably going to keep pushing down.
What'd you say? Okay, now it did we're back up. Closed above, we're back above here. This is where you just buy. Takes that. That's good.
Being a little aggressive.
Damn it, I wanted to buy right there. Do I buy?
Wait for it to push above this fair value gap because it's been respecting it like a lot. That's what I'm waiting for. It just busted above
Come
halfway. You might
on, that
want
was
to buy.
me.
What just happened?
Get
I'm
me
in. Why is my stop loss?
I'm in. We're chasing. It's cool. It's cool. It's gonna sink. I
in.
want to move this, but we gotta. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. Okay, I'm out of those two. Let's go for the gusto now.
Oh yeah. Stop loss is put in at 240. That's above my take profit.
I like that. I like that. You locked in 12 handles. Where's your take profit at? You don't have a take profit on.
No, I do not.
So you got to put it at least at the midpoint up here of the opening range. At most, I mean, that's 285. So you can find a better place. Maybe the liquidity.
Yeah, right here.
So I need to go up.
It's good.
52.
It's pushing back down, but I'm out with a win in either way.
Likewise.
Whoa, it almost stopped me. Holy. I just got a tick away from being stopped out. I just want to take my trade off right now.
It's cool.
400. I'm going to let it play out.
Right. $600. Okay, come on. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Always could get back in, but we are above this opening range. There's the thing right there. Okay, so everything should be in profit now, I feel like. I'm 850 up right now. Give me 500. Okay. Let's take a look at what just happened. I could have took 500, but I'm looking for too much. It's all good. I lost that one, 40, and I got all that dollar. Yeah, just got a lot of dollars. How did I not get that 100? What are you at now? I'm up. But it's now like 850 I could have took. Okay. Why don't you trail? You should have trailed your stop a little bit. I was about to, but then I started pushing. It's down. All good. It's all good. And I got stopped out already, but I don't know why I'm still in. It keeps still like there was a tick under my stop. Well, it's right there. It didn't feel you. If we push up out of here, man, we're off to the gusto. What's the VIX doing? The VIX is pushing up. The VIX has some work to do to the upside to push price down a little bit more, I feel like. Time is at 9. We're in that. It respected that. Good trade. We're trading still. I'm still this moving. You're still in the trade. Look at that. So you could trail it up, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but I don't want to because I get it. I just want to hit my 1,000. I get it, but you don't want to get greedy. Yeah, but I'm okay with losing this trade. It's not like I lost the trade. I get you. So that's one way to kind of carry it. Try to sit up and stay in the frame. We gotta document this. Sit up. No, you don't need gang signs. How is that a gang sign? Just so you could kind of.
If it goes to 800, I'm trailing take my stop loss up to
Why
500.
am I looking at your thing? That's okay. I'm in it.
You're
I'm in
right.
again. Let's see if it pushes. Hold up. No, you're out. You're out. I just got okay. There we go. I'm
Oh
back
yeah,
in.
got out with 1,000. Hopefully that was pretty nasty.
Pretty gangster in a good way. Okay, so I got in again. Got the
Alright.
10.
So I'm up on the day.
This volatility is serious. Push, push. You're right there, little one. Push. Okay, so we're good there.
Huh? Where'd you get in at? Out the blue line?
Yeah.
So you're winning either way.
Yeah, where are we at on my thing? I gotta see where we're at though. Okay, we're above the line. The midpoint is right there, and that's what I thought we were doing. Not at that liquidity.
VIX just gapped down.
We're good.
Trade.
We're good.
How much are you up on the day?
Not that it's that important, but 153.
That's good. 75-25 ratio. That's good.
Only losses are right there. This is that dynamic trading again. Even though it stopped me out, I took profit. So you gotta love the dynamics of everything. We got a little bit more to go.
What's your account price at now? Not account price, like what's your account at?
Let's not look at that right now, but we're up $100 from where I started, I think.
I'm up $1,000.
Yeah, that's big. And you're trading minis, so I'm up like 1,000. We're both up. We're both up. Like
Oh,
what
yeah,
is
you're
1,000?
the micro.
What is 1,000? How many handles is that on that contract?
1,000 is like 1,000 is like 1,000 is 50 handles.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm 50 handles up on the day.
And I'm 50 handles up if I had 100 up, but I think I'm 150 up, which is a little bit more than 50. But it's all what it is. And I had a huge distraction, which is cool though.
What was the distraction?
Just this lady, Linda, talking about these cubes.
Distraction that makes money.
Yeah, but like this needs to be focused. She's talking about, $40,000. So I guess
that is a lot.
It's money.
$40,000.
$1 trillion is a lot of money. This is where you're looking at it. This is $1 million setup. I told you, right? We need to have our damn music on. We on our Bismillah. We on our Bismillah. Ha, ha.
Here for a sip.
Okay, here we come.
Here for a sip.
All right, let's do some charting on. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. And you said you were done.
I did say
Uncross your legs because of your feeling, right?
No.
You felt.
I got out so fast. I think I should have been out right out. That's what you have on.
Right out of each trade. Not right out of the market, man. Just out of the trade for the moment.
I would have been okay with being down like $60 on the week.
Say that again?
I said I would have been okay with being down like $150.
That's what your first loss was?
I was down $150 on the week. Because I was down $220 on the day.
Is this you? Yeah.
I was at 50,400.
You lost. Today you lost $175 and then you made 1,080. So you could be done because of numbers, but I think it's so early. You definitely have an hour worth of watching, maybe 30 minutes till you can go do something else.
30 minutes? It's only 10.
I know you don't have to sit here for like hours and hours with me. I'm gonna sit here till 11. You have the option of sitting here from 9:30 to 10:30, like 8. 9 to 9 a.m. to tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 10:30 minimum. You can go to 11. But that was a really good trading, bro. You got in, kept your stop loss put, protected your bag. You only lost 175, and then you went for the midpoint. Did you leave it where I put it? Your take profit, or you moved it down a little bit? You must have moved it down a little bit.
It down a tiny bit.
Because
And
I was,
I'm glad I did.
you're right, because it didn't hit where I put it. There's that
Because I would have
liquidity.
been stopped out.
You don't have the liquidity up there, or do you? You just have it.
I
too
do,
far.
right there. I put it at this liquidity right here. I put it at this.
Where is it? Where's
Right
your
here.
liquidity?
I didn't
line?
put the line.
Oh, you put your take profit there. That was
Yeah.
nice. Okay. All right. What's the news?
New home sales right now.
And we got business inventories, and we got wholesale inventories preliminary. Then we got natural gas at 10:30.
So today, or 10 to 10:30 is like pretty volatile.
This was my shit.
These flutes got me feeling like a rock star
I know this song.
or a pop star.
What is this? It is a
Another-
But I'ma
knockoff.
just be a star and
There's
shine
another
on.
song like this.
Shine
Look
on
it
you,
up.
not
On
standing
do you have
for your
YouTube on?
anthem.
Yeah.
God taking disrespect to a new level, but respect starts with self. Until we respect ourselves,
There's a
nobody
liquidity.
will respect
Baby.
us. Nobody's not our anthem. Respect
Look.
must be taken.
The baby and Roddy Rich.
Even if I told you, still wouldn't understand what happened. Rather be myself and people. Number one on the charts, I'm never vicariously. Oh, there they go. Biasly pushing negative narratives. I'm ready though. Cops wanna pull me over
A
and
rock
embarrass me.
star.
Bills and power. You
That's
never
it.
knew me, thought I was
All
arrogant.
right,
As a
press pause
juvenile.
because that's copywritten material too. We'll have to play that another time. This is copyrighted.
You run deep, I know you can feel it. Your drum is native, I know you can hear it. That
Same
anthem is
beat.
slavery, I don't want to hear it. My bloodline is native, I know that you fear it. We are not slaves, we never was. All of y'all racist and we had enough. Why are y'all standing, your anthems defeated? If we was not capping, we have no allegiance. Stadium packed, but the players is black. Anthem is playing, the song sounded whack. Why is it playing? Are y'all playing us? If this is a game, it's a game I don't trust. 21 guns, saluting the line. 21 savages, give me my pop. I ain't 21, still charged like a ghost. System don't care, we just slaves with a vote. Pledging them poverty, pledging them pain. Pledging allegiance with slave master name. Pledging the taxes, pledging the dream. This pledge is a nightmare, Chris Martin King. The pledge still Malcolm, the pledge made us fiends. The anthem, the story of black fallen kings. You standing with proud, hand on your heart. Our history buried, we serving your God. The pain runs deep, I know you can feel it. The drum is native, I know you can hear it. That anthem is slavery, I don't want to hear it. My bloodline is native, I know that you fear it. We are not slaves, we never was. All of y'all racist and we had enough. Why are y'all standing, your anthems defeated? Nick was not capping, we have no allegiance. Francis got key, he wasn't the key. The blood of my ancestors under my feet. Y'all never fight fair, y'all always gonna cheat. I will not pledge, I do not turn cheeks. Making America great once again means making America sin once again. The greatness from sins, church say amen. I am your mirror, so I am your end. Black stand for anthems, they out of their minds. Whites out here wild and y'all don't see they crime. Hey, why would you stand? It's from a slave master. Hand on your heart, you a soulless disaster. It was never how Jesus gonna save us if he was a bastard. He walking in the water, he walking right past us. The pastors can't save us, he pulling his line. You lost your respect, you don't respect self. We tossing these balls, we building their wealth. They trade us, they censor, they play us like puppets. Kyrie speak his mind, defame him in public. Even A is a coon, he adhering to pledge. LeBron is my dude, but he right on the edge. Shout out my man Boosie for keeping it trill. Lil Nas X a bully, he said fuck you the kid. Fine is done, Kamala is quiet. Demos confused, but the right about to riot. That last game is done, the people done banned them. Everybody ain't slow, we not with your anthem. We not with America, be without blacks. Like Outcast with Andre, but missing 3 stacks. Take us away and the whole thing is whack. Curse all the coons who don't wanna be black. The pain runs deep, I know you can feel it. Your drum is native, I know you can hear it.
Curse all the
Anthem
coons
is
who don't
slavery, I
wanna
don't
be
wanna
black.
hear it. My bloodline is native, I know that you fear it. We are not slaves, we never was. was. All of y'all races and we had enough. Why y'all standing your
There
anthems
we go.
defeated? Nick was
That's
not capping,
nice.
we
So
have
that's
no
a
elite.
stop
So
out
all
right
of
there.
America in the fourth quarter. Forgot about
Rejected
Flint,
off
it's
the
all in
midpoint.
order. The messenger came, he said it was devil. Integrated with Satan, lost all of our
We
daughters.
still got
He hit
this.
the Tulsa, it's all the same story. Black trailer cheers giving whites all the glory. Followed the Arabs, we African black. But none of that capping could bring a God back. No lost in a maze, the wealthiest slaves. 12 will pull up and make gangsters behave. Back on black violence, you begging for phase. Nazi
522.
girls, my heart calling spade. Remember the code, don't stand for the anthem. Remember your ancestors searching for answers. You're not a hater for loving yourself. Respect over anything, even your wealth. The pain runs deep, I know you can feel it. I feel it. It's native, I know you can hear it. I anthem is slavery, I don't want to hear it.
I like that.
Bloodline is native, I know that you fear it. We are not slaves, we never was. All of y'all racist and we had enough. Why are y'all standing your
We got
anthems
to the
defeated?
first
Nick was not capping, we
destination.
have no allegiance. Okay, we would never pledge allegiance to a racist, misogynistic, fallen empire. Fall of America. Either stand for something or fall for anything. OG, God body.
Triple OG. God body.
Your feet warm?
Hip-hop, you my lady.
No.
You know they did you dirty. But you signed up to some things you didn't understand. Now you see.
What is that? The midpoint of the end wall. If we get it back above that, we gotta look for a thing. This is the midpoint of that end wall. That could resist us down now. What just happened? What did I just do?
Hold on tight.
Go.
That's the midpoint of the end wall. That could be a nice sell. We might need to flip now.
I'm saying so when it gets up here.
So what if we sold right here? Would it make it down? We're under
That's a
it.
little aggressive move.
Hold up. Tension in the air, time to roll up.
Everything is red. The move up might have be done.
Going down. This is pushing down.
Well, the VIX pushed down. Now it could go up to clean up these gaps. I always notice like this gap, it should come up to clear that up. It has to come up to clear all that up.
That just mean I gotta run the flow up. I'm pulling up, you ain't even show up. Guess the industry got you on a hold up. Calling you a thought, time to put the pole up. It's a vote, so I gotta get my votes up. Want my crown, they ain't about to hold my
Stopped
show
out.
up. They spinning you in
You are?
360 days, girl.
No, if I took it, I'm not. I didn't even get in. Just going towards a full stop out. So that was aggressive. And I didn't take it. And I was looking over here to see. This is really where we
Yeah,
need to
I told
see
you
some
that was an
action.
aggressive trade.
What?
I said that's an aggressive trade.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you said something. It's on record. I didn't hear you, but I wonder if we can push this back a little bit. Yeah.
Hold tight, hip-hop. Stay with me,
I
hip-hop.
put an order on, and I need to
Keep
lay that
stop
down.
looking first. Go ahead, yeah. Okay.
Take a deep breath. I know you feeling stressed. Started out good. I know you did your best. They took your brother Pop, assassinated Big. They even took Nip and Duff. I wish they would have missed. Now you left alone. I tried to call your phone. It's all music execs. I heard they took you home. That lean was just like crack. That 8 Mile was a hack. Then they bleached you, tried to teach you how to bring you back. Hold up. Hold on tight, baby. Love you, hip-hop.
We're right here at this rotation. I'm thinking it's gonna push down.
VIX is pushing up a little bit, like a tad bit. Candles popping up. Everything's down but Apple. Bitcoin is still under 70.
God body under pressure, baby. That's pressure. Pressure.
Does the VIX just do that? Like when the candles form on the VIX, they just like don't move at all.
Invincible. I never quit. Never. Because I know that quitting is death. And I'm going to relive my lesson. Quitting is not an option.
We got to look at it on here because this, like, you see how the candles move here?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that would have been, I would have got in there.
You're right.
No, but if I got in, let's see if I would have got 10. Nope, not yet. And just...
What happens when carbon is under pressure?
You wouldn't have got stopped out yet though either.
No.
First take profit was almost hit. First take profit hit.
What was that?
You're up already.
Yeah, but then you get stopped out. You just stopped out now, right? Yeah, it would have stopped out because I would have been in profit and that would have took me out.
And then
You would have had
came out
20
with a win.
handles. Yeah, 10 handles.
You would have full stopped out. Would you have been full stopped out?
All of them would have been stopped out. Yeah, but I call a full stop out when it hits these and I lose $130 is a full stop out. Or those two at 12 handles and those two at 20 handles. Now that you see, there's like a.
The gap down.
I think it's gonna push down
I think it's
again.
gonna go to midway point of Eval. Break.
Up or down?
Down.
Let's see.
Which Eval are you looking at?
Oh, right here, right there. This is from last Sunday, 3/16. So there it is. Bam. Okay, that was a big. That's big.
Gap down. Everything's still down.
Okay, let's see if this is the fake out.
Two fake out.
Let's see. We're pushing to the high of the end wall. That looks like a strong fake out. A real strong fake out. Golly.
How many handles was that candle? Oh,
We're up above the midpoint. We already hit it. Now we pushed up above it. Now let's look for a flush down, honestly. Because that got everyone excited.
that was like a
Everyone's buying
70.
right now.
that was like a
70.
70 handle candle.
Tell me exactly how many handles it was.
Alright, so the low 24.54.5.
My sticks loaded with these stones, these balls can really hurt you. Niggas say pressure bust pipes. Niggas got passion, no rights. The ops got your culture on heights. Gave you a false god, call him Jesus Christ.
24.54.
They about the place of your birth.
5.
God that made the whole earth. This will happen when a mother loses worth. No knowledge of self, being church, leaking genes that came from the king.
50.
We only live a royal through a mean. Metaverses even stole
24.5.
like precious is
24.489.50.
what happens when carbon is under pressure. Diamonds, my melanin lit third eye on gold.
Stopped out.
It was a
Okay.
56 handle.
56 handles. Okay. That's big still. Now look, there's a fair value gap. Is it going to get inverted? Do we come right back down over that bitch?
The worst thing you can ever be is a coward. You niggas is sidewalk. You about to step on.
Alright, that's a nice size candle.
Is that going to invert it?
If this inverts it, it's so going down.
It definitely, that's 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
What's the VIX doing? VIX is pushing up.
Everything's pushing down
Yeah.
except
If
the
we got him right there at the half.
disrespected halfway point, pushing back up a little bit.
See of my foes, working Biden and Fauci. I wrote the dope too cold, no revolution without me.
30 seconds.
You tried to step, homie. God body too solid, don't ever test me, homie. Diplomatic immunity can't arrest me, homie. Me and
Yeah, do you see this?
so don't address me, homie. Niggas think they competition, niggas too phony.
Too aggressive. There'll be time. There'll be time to get in. What is it? A bump?
No. You messed up my hair. You messed up.
It's respecting this fair value gap.
Definitely disrespect halfway point.
They won't put stress on you. To all my blood, you know I will kill death for you. Johnson's getting fired, my bars kill all life. On that front night, dead, my side piece is your wife. The baby Rufus and she coming, she next up to bat. She an ATL brave, I'm home running through that. She never bumping my ball, she my favorite running back. He said, Poppy, God body, please, we gotta run it back. I said, nah, little mommy, I'm a god, I ain't your type. Your morals ain't up to par, you borrow on niggas' mic. My trap house a dispensary, that's how we get all of my shit. They never miss.
There it is. There it is. There it is.
I mean, I'm cold, I stay afloat regardless, I pay the price.
There it is, right there. And look, it's gapping up two of these gaps like you said. Or it's trying to.
Nigga, cross that line, I'ma step on you. You little hoes and some haters, so I'ma step to you. Real fam got your back, they won't put stress on you. To all my blood, you know I will kill death for you. Fuck Yaku C's, we gonna step on you.
It's not looking so good.
Fuck this COVID talk,
Vic needs to come back down. See how it has to clear up those gaps? So it has to come down. If VIX comes down, that means price pushes up.
Not exactly, but
Yeah, you're right. But a lot of people who bought into this green candle, they got wrecked or they got stopped.
but it might not fill them gaps right now.
Yeah, I think it's going to though.
God body. God flows. It's time to come alive.
I don't like what my stops did.
Yeah, we're still pushing up that. I don't know if it's
Let's
tweaking.
The VIX is like could come down. That could wick up a little bit. It's just not an easy trade, I'll say that. You can't see where the price is gonna. We're at that rotation though. This is where you short. Above the
Messiah back from heaven with a big like this. I'm back, I'm alive like a buddy y'all miss. Try to crucify me so I roll a plot twist. These fake friends off holding fake black fish. These alphabet boys, it's all over dick. Now the shit adding up. Y'all 6 plus 6. Bars getting on water, they levitate. No more high flow, I'm elevating. Smoking on right.
that's the one right there.
Too high for labels. 2, 3 months for master the lingo. Freestyle clutch like a Jordan free throw. The MJ rapper, it's a thriller. All time break like Ali in Manila. But why is 2 pairs, those niggas getting none? In Magic City with 100,000 ones. Fuck with my tribe, y'all niggas all done. Pull it right up with 100,000 guns. Heat for the bullets like 100,000 suns. That's a perfect pull up, that's 100,000 tons. I'm a lion, y'all hyenas. Speaking off of my guns, I'm alive and I'm lit. Y'all niggas all bums.
It's just too tight. Time check 10:18. This is some mess to try and trade. That wouldn't even have got me out.
action, I'm Tyson, I'm quoting. Balls like Iran, that's cause the guard rope. Might need an AC, niggas can't even hold it.
Oh yeah, we pushed up. Yep, we filled the first gap.
What first gap?
This one. That's the gap right here. We just filled it. Yep, pushing up. Yeah.
There's a lot more gaps.
We gotta
to
fill
fill.
this gap.
Yep.
52 big out.
Okay, so that's what. Now
Oh
we're
yeah,
coming into
push
here.
up, push down. Let's get to fix this. We should be pushing down right now.
We'll see. If the VIX goes down, price shoots up, right? Theoretically.
Yeah, I said we should be going down right now.
Why
And the
VIX
VIX is going up.
If there's more gaps up there, it could keep pushing up.
Yeah,
See
that's
that
what I'm
one?
saying. It's gonna fill this gap.
Up here, all the way up to here.
It already started its journey. Why would it stop?
Because there's not no, like, it's not no closure down below this. We need some closure here. Some, like, this is nice. Push, give it back for the most part. But it's just, why are there two of these up here already? It could be coming into this to go up. This is like the starred first. This is the first large fair value gap.
This is the eulogy. It's over. Kill all the preachers, aka whole rappers. Belly has returned, and he will be beside.
Pushing down the VIX.
Niggas is talking verses, and who can stand on the stages? Looking for rap messiahs. I read stars like they was pages. This metaverse is weird. Judas became an angel. Degrees and lip professor. Been real, it's just a statement. All looking for Neil when he architected by Satan. The verses came with COVID, progressed through all the stages. No doubt about it.
Should push
Keeping all of the haters. Machiavelli sent me
Which way,
a
though?
prophecy.
down.
The greatest. Hope is just a hole. You see who ready to pop, cause the truly show about to stop. And I ain't just talking
450.
blazes, popping tops. Pop was really a prophet, hove, a prophet.
Look, watch this. I am totally I'm not.
Huh?
I was about to get in there.
I got multiple choices, I'm selecting A and B. Alpha versus a beta, loyalty over trade.
Oh look,
Y'all fell
see
in
this
love with a
gap?
Judas, 'cause y'all is really
He just
haters.
gapped up, so he should push down.
That's all I want to do. It's retesting that wick. If it pushes down, we can get a closure of that.
It's trying to fill this. Oh man.
And we're into the profit now, right or right out. Don't touch them stop losses. Okay, I'm okay with that.
Toast to Cliff and Nip. Leave corn is celebrating, and Hovers is honey dip. Rap is entertainment while the feds and rappers head. And you wrap your head around who hip hop has really fed. Rap was our asset, the knowledge was at the head. The enemy
You got
never
it.
sleep, rapping hoses in their bed. Gave us a power couple that's Hov and Bay, of course. This is what you are seeing, the modern day Trojan horse. The Carters and Obamas, mannequins in the sky. Now niggas is like R. Kelly, believing that they can fly. Zion versus machines, dying in Bible dream. Eve really a thought, and the serpent was selling lean. Rock Nation CEO and the same team.
We're getting fancy. Too aggressive on that candle.
I'm out.
With profit,
Yes.
you did it take a stop loss or it reached your goal?
To the stop loss.
VIX is pushing. Come on, push down. VIX is going up.
I
Man. What
had
are you
it for
doing?
profit, but I don't know.
Why? Why are you going up when the VIX is up? Up. Come on now.
love with the weird show. I'm in love with these black forms. I see planes for sniper guns. I'm bold after the run.
Full stop?
In the world.
It's all good.
A little aggressive. On
But
both of
it's
our
too
trades.
aggressive. Too aggressive.
Our first trade, probably our second, really.
Damn, look at this shit.
Niggas is talking verses and who can stand on stages.
I don't know why it's
We're in
going
the first
up, but
presentation. It's gonna pull down.
it
Yeah.
has to.
We're in the first presented fair value
It
gap.
keeps
I should have
respecting
waited
this
a
first
little
presented.
bit more.
I should have waited till it pushed below the first presentation. I should have left my take profit on because I moved my take profit and got stopped out.
Master of all awareness. I do have one question of all truth. Who is the original man?
See how many trades we've taken. 24 trades, $47 up. I gave 100 back. Right? Yeah.
We're still good.
Yep, that last one I didn't have to do. I gave more than 100 back because I had that. Yeah. Okay. Deep breath. We got to see the side. We could have been patient, more patient. But we're reclaiming that fair value gap that you saw earlier.
I don't know how I got stopped out, but I was saying I was patient because while it was up here, I had my order on down here.
Yeah.
And I just left it there. And then it got taken. Tooken's not a word.
Doesn't sound like a word to me.
You got taken away.
I need to be patient. 1025. We got the breakdown with the close below. This is good. Okay, now if you come back down here, I want you. If you come back down. Getting fancy. Because we have the breakdown. The VIX is elevated. Yes. We're at the bottom of the.
Oh, yeah. We're going down. Look at the VIX.
But it doesn't, it's gonna keep jittering. That ain't going down. That's jittery.
Look. Push up, push.
Yeah, we'll see. You're right. It makes sense.
We're going to go down, up, down.
Let's not talk no up talk right now. If that candle opens up, it would be nice. Oh, okay. But see, that's just to pay for the trade. Start up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, shut it.
See, it's not opening up like it could. Come on now. That should be out.
Oh, yeah, we just gapped up. No. I get stopped out and you get all this money?
No, I just paid for the trade.
You just got two take profits.
No, I don't think I did. I think you got tapped in. I got one hit. I still got 3 contracts on.
What? How did you not get hit right here?
It didn't do me. It's all good.
The trade's not over.
It's not over. That's why we're flipping red. She's jittery.
Take profit. Yeah. I'm just not touch the trade anymore. Just watch.
So Vix,
Oh no.
Vix needs to crush a little bit to close that gap at least. So the price is gonna go up.
No. The price does not need to go up. I could get it. It just needs to go down.
Why don't you do 200, huh?
I did, but it slipped me.
Okay, that's cool. It's all good. You had a good cushion.
I'm still up like 500 on the day.
You had a good cushion. Yeah, that Vix wants to close that gap, possibly.
You gotta win.
You got a big win, huh? You're good. You got the cushion on. Yeah. See, the VIX is gonna close that gap. It's not dumping just yet. It needs some more
How
time.
much did you make on that trade?
$20. But it cost me $4, so $16.
A trade is a trade.
It is, but we gotta get better at being more focused, more patient, focused, disciplined.
It's telling me something. I lose right at 10:30.
It's 10:30. Okay, but let's watch for a few more minutes because I think we're in where we need to be. We got this, and like you said, it rolled right there. So now it's touching in here, the halfway point of this inversion, possibly.
Ultra 12672153006.
Hello, Linda.
Linda from King's Office Furniture. I'm sorry.
Yeah, how you doing? Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Yeah,
You're
so
like, Linda?
no. Yeah, I couldn't. I had it hooked up to my my other speaker.
I got you.
So what are we at? What are they talking about?
Yeah, so she has somebody who can come in and trash it.
Okay.
But they weren't going to take them down. So I'm like, well, how does that work for you? You know, like, because I'm not, what I have committed to is all I can handle.
Right.
So she asked, you can go today to see it or tomorrow.
Okay.
But she asked if you could do it for $5,000.
And take the 40 units that are there that you, what is it, 43?
Take the 43 units.
Okay.
Each one is going to have a file in it and a 42 by 24 surface.
Okay.
If you really wanted to resell them, you would just do sit stand. And then you don't have to worry about, because you're going to get a cantilever. Actually, right. I don't even know if there's a cantilever. There's a leg. If you look in the picture, you can see the half cable leg.
Yep. You know? I see that. Yep.
And then I did not get a count. I just want enough filers, like the rolling mobile pads, to go with the 24 stations I have. Like I padded it to like 30, you know, just in case there was an issue. But I'll give you as many as as there are after that. Like I just want at least one for every cubicle I have, and then whatever's left over. I'm imagining there was one for every cubicle.
Okay.
So you would get that. And then there's some laterals, right? I'm going to take like 10 to 15 laterals. There might be like 10 laterals remaining.
Okay.
So if you want, I could, I'll give you her number and you can call her and you can set up a time to go see it.
Okay, that would be great. If you can,
if you think you can, accept that number. I mean, if you decommission it, you're not really going to trash all of it, right? You'll still keep it and just you're getting paid for it. So then that money you could use for new surfaces, probably, right?
Well,
you're not going to trash it.
We probably we would go see and talk to my partner. Then we'll just keep them in the loop, let you know how we're gonna deal with it or whatever. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get over there by tomorrow with my partner. We'll walk it. Like I said, we're too close not to help you on this one for sure. So we want to get in there, and since it's right there,
it's such nice stuff. Like no one even sat in it. I don't understand. Like this just upsets me so much. Like that somebody would buy all this new furniture in 2020. No one sat in it. They just came back like 8 months ago, and now they're trashing it all. Like
Yeah.
literally they were going to put it in the trash.
Yeah. Well, that's where
but
we
they
come in.
I know, right? Like, how many people are gonna like have new furniture out of this? But I'm gonna, when we hang up, I'll send you her cell number.
Okay.
Her name is Victoria,
Okay.
and just set up if you're willing to go down a little bit. She had like a number in her mind,
Yep. And now is this your repeat client and all of that? Like, how do you want me to approach this?
No.
Okay.
No, how do I would prefer if you would just deal with her directly.
Okay.
Right. So, they're too big for me, like, to sell to. Like, they get fancy stuff,
Yeah.
Like, I'm not that kind of person.
Right.
So I'm never going to sell to them. So I don't care. This
Okay.
is just a decommission.
Got you.
And her and I became friendly because really, quite honestly, I'm making her the fucking hero. All right. Because they only gave them 10 days to do it.
That's
and they were going to
crazy.
pay probably so much money, and I swoop in and take care of the whole thing basically for them.
Right.
And so we already have a relationship. Like, she's never going to forget me.
I get it. You have a nice network to have someone right in her area too who can kind of come in and even clean up.
Right. And I mean, as soon as I went there, I immediately thought of you.
Nice.
Like, Isaac is like right here, and I don't like to see stuff go in dumpsters.
Right.
And I knew that's where it was heading. And I had a junk removal guy, but I did not call him first. I called you first.
I appreciate that.
So,
and just to let you know, we're gonna deal with this too, but we are in the market for some nice cubes too, and like 100 to 200 to 300 is like right in our sweet spot. But
wow, where did you put all that in your warehouse there?
well, we pancake them, like we stack them pallets, we stack the panels, so we can get a lot in there. We only have about 4,000 square feet. We have less than you, but we do have the second level for all of our chairs, so that helps. We have about another 4,000 square feet up top.
You would fit 100 cubicles in there? Now you want 100 of the same cubicles?
We have this Harleysville stuff we got up in Harleysville, PA, a couple of years ago. We got like 250 and stored them, and then they had about 500 up there. We sold another 200 out of there over the year. We were pulling from there and just leaving our stock.
With the maple curves, I think that's maybe how we met.
Yep.
They were the maple curves station.
That one.
That's how we met. Yeah. Yeah.
So they're really nice, and a lot of them had never been sat at. And we still have about 100 of those left. We got 250. We sold another 250, and so I like that, having the same product. We've ordered some hardware for it.
Do the same thing all the time. Yeah. It's funny. I did National Realty Corp and RC, and so they're cheap bastards, and she drives me crazy. And you've been in there, so I go in there, and she wants to add something, and I'm like, these stations are from Isaac Pitts.
She's right here in like Delco, right?
In Springfield, yeah.
Yep. We did we did like 3 units of works, a front end and a two in the back.
Yeah. You might have just recently did another little add-on for her, because I went in there and I'm like, I don't have this shit. Isaac Pitts has this shit. You need to call Isaac if you want it to match.
Right.
Otherwise, I'm taking it all down and giving you all new stuff.
Right.
And she said, he got expensive. He got expensive.
Yeah.
Well, they're like bottom feeders.
Okay.
Like, they don't want to spend any money. Ever. They're pains in the asses. So I don't really care if they say someone's too expensive, because they're unrealistic.
Right.
Literally.
Yeah.
They should be shopping at thrift shops. That's their wallet.
So would you order new sit to stand desks for this? If you had it, you would order new. Are you ordering sit to stand?
I'm not going to order them. I have the pictures with the sit to stand in them, like the picture I sent you. And that's how I'm gonna promote them, because I don't have cantilevers. I mean, I could get cantilevers. All steel cantilevers are probably easy enough to get, although they could be costly, right? So yeah, everybody wants a sit stand these days. So I would put a sit stand in there.
So you just do them to order.
Yeah.
You would order them as you sold them. You would order as many.
Exactly.
Okay. And how much do you get those for? A nice sit stand for that?
I've been able to, and prices change all the time, because I'm no longer like just shopping from my distributors. I'll shop wherever, and so a base could cost me about like $200 to $300,
Okay.
right? And then the top is like $100. So, a 6x6 cubicle with a sit stand and looking the way these do with the glass, I'd sell them for about $1,200 a piece.
I like that.
So if I'm investing $400 into the insides, right, or $500 because I have to get a wing too, then the rest of it's profit because I didn't pay for them.
Right. I like
paid
it.
her for, and I paid her for the chairs.
Oh
really,
yeah,
and the
I was
desks.
I was wondering about. I was gonna ask you about the chairs, but I figured they're the first things out. They're no
Yeah.
problem for anybody.
Right. And they're nice chairs. They're all still Evo chairs. I had them in
Wow.
lime green. I had them for like 4 years, but these are gray.
Okay,
So,
that's a good color.
And so people are walking off with furniture. And so, I had 10 desks that had a sit stand return. And she's like, now there's only 9. And I'm like, well, this is a problem. This is a problem for me. Like, I will walk off the fucking job.
Yeah, if you're
just
paying
like
for that. Yeah.
That shit should be marked sold.
Uh-huh.
I gave you money, and she's like, well, you didn't have to. And I said, but I gave you money so nothing would disappear. And I gave you money because so you could use some of that to get rid of the shit I don't want to take. And I was just doing good business.
Yeah.
For something I wanted.
Yeah, I don't. That's interesting, but yeah, that's always how it goes.
I'll offer money.
Right.
I just did another one, and I feel like I'm on The Price is Right. I offered him $61.25, and I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, what's with the $61.25? Well, if someone comes in at $6,000, $925 could push me over the edge.
Oh, okay.
I want it.
I like that. I
feel like I'm on The Price is Right. I'm like, yeah. Adding like, I'll take
Come
it for
on down.
for $6.25, like just to get right,
Right. I love
Gotta
it.
be
I
ahead.
love it.
But that's like 60 gray desks. Do you deal in desks or just cubicles?
We do desks. We need some. I like them to
They're-
break down for storage purposes. I like the ones you can break all the way down. I don't like the case goods that you have to kind of like keep whole, and they take up so much square footage and they're just hard to move around.
I have 5,200 square feet here. Now I rented a space in the back, which is like another like 900, 800 square feet. I have 3 storage units, and sometimes I get a tractor trailer.
Wow, you have space for the trailers to park them.
Yeah.
Wow, and you're up in KOP, correct?
No, I'm in Ridley. I'm right near off of McDade Boulevard.
Oh, you're right here. Right off McDade. Okay.
Yeah, we're close.
All right, cool. We got to check you out sometime.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna text me her info, and definitely we look
will.
forward to seeing you next week. I'm gonna see how soon we can get in there, if we can get in a little earlier, if we're gonna do
They're
the
working there
decommission.
until the 23rd. They're all moving out of the space.
Oh,
Monday.
okay. So they're gonna be out.
So you got the 24th, the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th. And if you needed it, you could probably do the 30th.
Okay. Is that Saturday or what? What is
No,
it?
that's a Monday.
Oh, the next week. Okay.
Right. So next week it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay, and then the
maybe
day
Monday.
before. I
She
got
would
you.
like us to be.
Yeah, we could probably knock
They're
that out
starting
in 3
construction.
days. Yeah, we could probably knock it out. But I'm gonna talk to her, and we're gonna get in there before we start to talk. And I'll just I'll let you know after we leave there, and kind of what you think.
Okay.
We'll talk. Then.
Perfect.
Thanks a lot, Linda, for
Yeah,
keeping us
and
in
if
the
there's
loop.
any way that you can push it and make it today, so that because every day she runs out of time. So let's say you went tomorrow and you're like, I don't want it. Like, it just puts her in a really bad position.
Yeah.
Worse than she's already in.
But
it's not even her job.
I get it, but I'm gonna tell you this. I talked to my partner extensively last night, and we were going back and forth, and it did hit me. I'm like, man, we got desktops, and he's like, man, what about the hardware? I'm like, fuck, I didn't think about the hardware. And then I'm like, yeah, that's gonna be a little. So, but all of that to say, he was like, do they want to do the decommission? I was like, well, I don't know if Linda's doing it or how it's working, but I just know what she told me. But I think we can get it done. But I will try and get in there today. But since they have a budget and we do want some value out of there, I think it's likely we
It's a
can get in
win-win.
there.
You're
Yeah.
gonna get paid, and
Yup.
then you're gonna have stuff to sell.
Yeah.
So, I mean, really, the $5,000 you're getting paid to get it out.
Yeah. That just
And
covers
I think she's
everything.
fully aware that you're not going to trash it. And that's
Yeah.
fine. She doesn't care at this point. She really doesn't care.
Right.
It just needs to go.
Yep.
But she did find somebody who would do it really cheap, so she thinks she can find someone to take it down cheaper. That's
Yeah.
why she's trying to get you in at that $5,000 number.
Yeah.
Right? So
I'll
that it
go.
could be you
Yep.
knowing that you're not trashing it, that you're going to use it because she cares about that.
Yep. And we're
Right?
gonna use a lot of like all the filers we would be interested in, but it's just like them panels
Sure,
are gonna be
sure.
tough. But we will. I'll
Mhm.
try and push for the day. Definitely, I'll get you in there tomorrow. But I just wanted to kind of let you know we can probably definitely help get this situated
Perfect.
by next week.
Perfect. Awesome.
But
I'm happy to
I'll
see
let
you
you
too.
know as soon as I get in there, and just text me her
Okay.
contact, and we'll get with her
You
this
got it.
afternoon. Thanks a lot, Linda.
You got it. Thank you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
This market's so choppy. It's
All right, I'm glad I took that call.
up, down, up, down.
So you ready to call it?
Yeah.
Quarter till.
I don't think there's anything to do really. Like, look at it. Up,
It
down,
got
up, down,
equal
up, down,
equal
up, down.
highs. I think the top is looking toppy here. There's still this liquidity up here. Do you notice anything else? We got our opening range. I want to pull this kind of out of our
I
range.
think it's going to.
We got a rotation
I
up
think the
there.
market's gonna
The
shoot
end
down.
wall. We're at the bottom of the end dog.
Look, I think the market's
Yeah,
gonna
because the
shoot
VIX
down.
has
It's
to
gonna
shoot
push
up.
up.
Yeah, the
Fill all
VIX
these
has a
gaps.
lot of gap.
I think the market's gonna go below this.
Everything is clean here, but that gap right there on the VIX, you see it?
Mhm.
Right there, it has to close that, and then it's free to go up. So the
I'll
VIX,
call it a day now.
you're gonna call it, you know me, Brian, this is kind of what I do.
But look,
You don't want to hang out till 11?
I could definitely take it to 11, but I just don't want to
We're
sit
back
here
at the
watching
first
this chop.
presentation. Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah,
get better at
chop.
this, but you got to get involved. So you got to watch it, get your time under the tension, so you know what chop is. Because if this thing opens up right now, but I like it. I like the bounce to go up. I like a bounce to go up in this morning session to take this liquidity. But it can feel that yellow gap. You see the yellow gap? It could do that and then do the down.
But it doesn't need to feel that gap.
It doesn't, but I think it
That's a
could.
tiny gap.
Look at the liquidity. Go to a 15-minute chart and look at it.
It's chop. It's green candle, red candle, red candle, green candle, green candle. Literally. It's popping off to the downside. But I'll take it to 11. Just
I need my PAX indicator here. We're above the opening range on both. It's bullish right now. I'm sorry.
So bearish.
Look at the liquidity. You have relative equal highs. You have liquidity up there from when.
But look at the liquidity down here we need to take. We have this.
But we got time to do that. It's gonna do that.
And look at it. Dip up, dip up, dip up, dip. It's a pattern.
We're in a 5. Well, no, it's not a fair value.
Dip up, dip up, dip up, dip up, dip. That's what it's gonna do.
All right, just you're real confident, my young Padawan. Where am I at? Let me do it. Let me just trade. I don't need to do an account check.
Are you gonna do a trade in this last 10 minutes?
We'll see. If something sets up to the buy side, I will. Yes.
If it breaks below this, I'm selling. That's all I need to say.
Sit up buy.
Yeah.
Can I hop on your live?
Give Umi Ray a shout out. What is it? Ray of Soul. You might know her as.
That's not. Well, why do you keep
Well-
doing that?
Oh, Umi Ray.
Just say Ray.
I
It's
thought you were
not
going by
because-
Raina
Yeah,
again.
stop.
Okay, all right. Hi, Mom.
Hello. Hey, Isaac. How's it going?
Good. Up 1,000 on the day.
Really?
Really like 800, but
Already? How long y'all been trading?
an hour and a half.
Look at price. Look at the VIX trying to go to that gap.
Just push it down.
Okay, so that closed above some. It's really not the swing high is right here.
The VIX just gapped down.
I think it's gonna go.
You might be right, but it's not gonna go for a long time. It might go up to the equal highs and make a third equal high and then just dip right back down.
$49.75. What is that? I like this because when I buy there, the liquidity is right at the next little sweep right there. Move to profit and see what it goes from there. Didn't push hard enough. There it goes.
Good trade. Good eye. Good analysis. A+ setup. Right where you wanted it to go to.
Yeah, so the VIX thing closed, so that might be it on our VIX.
You're a trader, man. You got it in the bag. Holy. I didn't know it's like that. You just calling the shots now. Mm-mm. I didn't know it was like that.
A little something for the kids.
I didn't know you were a shot caller. That.
But it didn't go to, I got two.
Calling the shots.
Yeah.
Calling them.
What Isaac is referring to is this little VIX move right here. Since he's sizing me. But I put the gap I was speaking about, we put it there. Gap filled on the VIX. Now it's clean to go up and price push down and it filled all these gaps to the upside.
I didn't know you was like that.
It touched it. Let's see if it went perfectly. What's the high of that candle? 25.43. The low of this candle.
25. Holy, he's a shot caller. Better be
I
confident.
do. Nah, can't be cocky.
Gotta be confident.
Gotta be confident, carefree, fearless, and focused, and humble.
That's like the second time in 2 days he got something down to the science.
More like the fifth time, but who's counting? I told you, it ain't the same without you, brother. You make it all worth doing. Now we can do now I think I could be done. It's 10:53. We did a lot of trading today. We did consistent trading
up
today.
On the day.
$180 up on the day now. Not after commissions though. After commissions, 146.22.
Dang, that's a lot of commissions.
Nice 75% win rate with so many losses because of the dynamic trading. Full stop out there, all profit, a full stop out there, and then all profit. So out of what they
How much
count
money
as
do you have in your account now?
32 trades, 8 of them were losses.
What's your account at now?
$52,548.66, right?
No, it's right here. This is your final account balance.
696 today. When was that? From what was I looking at? The beginning?
Oh, you're looking at the trades. Like after you made this, after you got this loss.
944. So that was this morning.
After you get a loss, it shows your account balance. After you get a win, it also shows your account balance after the win. And this is the last trade of the day, so this is your last account balance of the day.
52,696.
700, 8, 9, 10. You just need 300 in one day.
What's the name of the game?
Friday,
Finishing up these evals. Keywords are like headway, patience and discipline, dynamic brackets, teamwork to make the dream work. Finishing this joint up. Okay, we're in there. But you see that break up. You see like people who are trying to go short here. But now it might be time. It did its work to the bottom. Now the VIX is free to elevate. It closed the gap to the tick. Now it's free to go do what it does. 50 to 150. Brother Minister, God body the chief. Talk about that poppy stroke. Stroke. Living life, having fun. We got gaps to here, gaps all the way up here. So the VIX can get real volatile. This volatile index can stop. Oh, you took the order off? You ain't fooling with it? Because it's kind of... What you do on your day? Let's take a look at what I did.
240 loss, $35 loss, 175 loss, 1,080 wins.
That's all you need. 19. You lost one. You won a big one. A little mistake. This one kind of got
plus
you.
35 plus 175. 245 plus 35 plus 175. 245 plus.
What I could have done was, when I saw that gap fill, I could have canceled all trades. And what time was that at? 10:52. That gap closed at 52. $51. Once it filled, bam, I could have just killed all the trade. But I had gotten on the bottom of this candle, got out at the top. But I could have just killed all of it. It took a little bit more.
$625 took me today.
Another one.
That's nothing bad because that one win would have saved me. If I would have got stopped out at the 245 win, I would have been down big on the day.
If you didn't get stopped out.
No, if I got stopped out on that trade and got that win, I would have been down on that trade. Even if I got the win.
If you would have got stopped out on what trade?
This one. If I would have got stopped, I was like, I think it passed my line. It passed my line.
But then it pushed, and then you opened it up, and if you only made 200 on that. Would have been down on the day too.
Down big.
Not down big, down 245.
240, 35, and 75.
But
I'm
you would
only
have been up
6.
200.
200, so take away this,
This
I
one
guess.
and that one, and you would have just been down 245, which isn't big. You can
That's
get that
not
back.
big. Yeah, that's like 2 trades full back.
Yeah.
100 up.
But we caught the volatility. I mean, every trade isn't going to be like that, but you had your stop loss in place and you opened it up and then you waited. I was surprised you waited that long and then you moved it. You didn't wait too long. You moved it to the liquidity. You moved it to right there, right? No. You moved it to right here, this liquidity, and you took it. I think it was a great trade.
That's a close in on the day.
Yeah.
11 o'clock.
All right. Good day of trading. We followed our plan. Way more than 50%. It was challenging.
Trader right here.
We wanted to give up, but we kept going. I lost. We both lost our first trade, but we hung in there. We lived to fight another trade. We kept our stop losses in place every day. And we got back in. And we ended both on a green day. But more importantly, we ended
profitable.
more importantly than even that, because time still has to prove that and some real cash flow. We're following a plan, we're showing up, and we're consistently following the plan. That's how we win. You're going to learn, and it's just going to happen. Just like you can do layups better because you do layups.
Well, peace out.
Peace, love, and hair grease.
Well, peace, love, and hair grease.